excited. I want to see how fast or what's the pace of my running. Just came back from my morning run, which is on other days, every other days. So let's see, where am I? Okay, this is actually the Puma Track running apps or exercise apps. So today, let's see, today I ran 3.41 kilometers. Where does that 0.0 no 0.1, where does that 0.1 kilometer came from? I think it's the GPS error, but it's okay. So I ran for 22 minutes and 27 seconds. Good enough, as always. 6.35, 6 minutes and 35 seconds of the pace. So my cadence is just as usual, although I felt quite easy today running without much effort. I mean, not as the same difficulty as the one that I did the last 2 days. And there is no red. Is that red? Orange. There is about orange markings on the track that I ran. So I guess over there is I was going downhill, but I was not going fast enough. I'm not using the advantage of the gravity. In another word, I didn't use the gravity to my advantage. Well, life goes on. Gonna go better, I think. I would let's say maybe I will take about another 3 months to get used to it and get faster. Okay guys, enjoy the next video. Here you are.